Jai Srimanarayana. First sloka of 5th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Sannyasam karmanam Krishna punaryogancha semsasi yachreya yetayorekam tanme bruhi sunishchitam. Om. Don't beat yourself up too much. Take up the best and riskless path and put all your efforts. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommends that every one of us should surrender to him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, Mamekam Saranam Vraja. Now let us respond to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, Ho Srimanarayana, I shall take up the best and riskless path and put all my efforts. Ho Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. Ho Srimanarayana, I shall act according to your word. Srimanarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam Sukhamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava Putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu Tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Vudirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 9th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Devayani requested Yayati to accept her as his wife. Then Yayati accepted. After that, Devayani went back to home and told her father Sukracharya about everything while crying. How Sharmishta scolded her, how Sharmishta pushed her into the well, and how Yayati saved her. All these things Devayani told to her father Sukracharya. Then Sukracharya felt very angry, and then immediately what he did is, he was doing his Paurohitam, priestly job in Vrishaparva's kingdom. So he immediately left that job and then went away along with his daughter Devayani. After that, Vrishaparva came to know that probably Sukracharya coming to his palace to curse him. Even before he reached his palace, Vrishaparva went and met with Sukracharya on the way, and then Gurum prasadayat murdhna padayoho patita pathi. He fell on Sukracharya's feet and requested him to calm down. Then Sukracharya became cool, and then he said, "Oh Vrishaparva, I cannot be here without my daughter Devayani. So now what you need to do is, whatever my Devayani is wishing, you have to fulfill that." Like that, Sukracharya put a condition to Vrishaparva. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishno Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarasetravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 5th chapter, 1st sloka. Sannyasam karmanam Krishna punaryogancha shamsasi yachreyayetayorekam tanme bruhi sunischitam. Sannyasam karmanam Krishna punaryogancha shamsasi yachreyayetayorekam tanme bruhi sunischitam. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.